Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English, Elementary 22, Complaining.
My name's Philip and I've had a really hard day at work, and all I want to do now is get some sleep.
In today's lesson, we're going to look at a new way of talking about the past. We're going to learn about the past continuous. It was raining all day on Monday. I was running at the gym for 2 hours today.
What's that noise? Are they kidding me? Building, it's 10 o'clock at night.
Let's watch a movie now. John is talking to his travel agent. Is John happy? Did he have a good vacation?
Oh, hey John, how's your vacation?
Actually, it wasn't much of a vacation after all, and I was wondering if I could get a refund or a discount.
You're kidding. I'm so sorry to hear that. I know you were looking forward to it.
I was hoping this would be the perfect Hawaiian vacation, but that's not how it turned out.
That's too bad. So what happened?
Well, first of all, Saturday morning, the airport shuttle was 20 minutes late. I thought I was going to miss my flight.
But you made it to the airport in time.
Well, yeah, I was worrying the whole way there, but I made it in time. Barely.
Then how about when you finally got to Hawaii? I'm sure you had a great time then.
No, I couldn't believe it. It was raining when I got there, and it kept raining almost the whole week I was there.
That's too bad.
Yeah, it was disappointing. So that's why I was hoping that I could get some kind of discount, since my vacation was not much fun at all.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that you had such tough luck, but I'm afraid it's out of my hands.
Really? There's nothing you can do?
As I said, I am sorry, but you really didn't have trouble with your accommodation or your transportation, right?
No, I didn't.
Well then I am sorry, I can't offer a discount.
Okay, well, thanks anyway.
So, is John happy? No, he's not. He didn't have a good vacation. Why? Here's John again.
It was raining when I got there, and it kept raining almost the whole week I was there.
It was raining when he got there. We use the past of to be and a verb with ing to talk about an action in the past continuous. But what sort of action? We use this tense for actions that were in progress, during or at a specific time. See if you can do these examples by yourself. Use the words to make a sentence. We'll do the first one together. Yesterday, I was playing tennis when it started to rain. Now you say it. Yesterday, I was playing tennis when it started to rain. The sun was shining all day. The sun was shining all day. What were you doing yesterday at noon?
Hello? Hello? Yeah, I'm not surprised you can't hear me. It's because you're drilling. It's 11 o'clock at night now. Can you please, don't you talk to me like that. It's 11 o'clock at night. I know it's your house, but I live right beneath you. It's like, listen.
Well done. You've now learnt to say the past of to be and a verb with ing to talk about an action in the past continuous. Yesterday, I was playing tennis. The sun was shining all day. Well, that's all we've got time for today, but I'll see you again soon.
Shut up! Be quiet!